What if your earbuds could keep up with every heartbeat, every stride, every drop of sweat? Meet the Apple Powerbeats Fit, engineered not just for sound, but for movement. Sculpted for performance, inspired by precision, the Powerbeats Fit bring a new meaning to true wireless freedom. Their signature wingtip design ensures a snug, stay-put fit. No slips, no adjustments, just music that moves when you do. And with IPX4 sweat and water resistance, they're built to endure every downpour, every rep, every mile. But performance isn't just about endurance, it's about awareness. That's why Apple integrates Active Noise Cancellation to silence the chaos, and Transparency Mode to let the world back in when safety matters most. Because sometimes hearing the rhythm of the city is just as important as hearing the beat. 5 precision microphones, 1 adaptive equalizer. Together, they analyze your ear's shape and adjust the sound in real time, delivering balanced, crystal-clear audio that adapts to you. And with 3D audio with head tracking, your music doesn't just play, it lives around you, creating an immersive experience that moves naturally with every turn. Remove an earbud, and playback pauses instantly. Pop it back in, and your soundtrack resumes like it never missed a beat. 7 hours of non-stop music, 30 hours with the case. Because your workout shouldn't end before your playlist does. Choose your style: bold orange, soft pink, stealth gray, or classic black. Each pair comes with 4 ear tip sizes for the perfect fit. And yes, a 3-month trial of Apple Music to kickstart your training playlist. The Apple Powerbeats Fit, built for athletes, powered by innovation, and tuned for every heartbeat. No wires, no limits, just power that fits.